In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoices in QuickBooks Online. Streamlining the way your invoices look can significantly enhance your business's professional image and create a meaningful connection with your clients. It's more than just about numbers, it's about branding and first impressions. Now let's dive into the process, which is surprisingly simple and intuitive. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. This is where you will sign into your QuickBooks Online account. You might already be familiar with this step from your daily business operations. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard, the central hub where all the magic starts. Next, let's navigate to the custom form styles. For this, look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This icon represents your settings and holds all the customization options you'll need for your invoices. Once inside, locate the section labeled Your Company. Here, you'll find a link that says Custom Form Styles. Clicking this will take you to the section where you can either create new templates or modify existing ones. If you wish to edit an existing invoice style, simply find the template you want to tweak, click on the edit button next to it, and start making changes. On the other hand, if you're aiming to bring a fresh look to your invoices and want to create a brand new template, click on New Style and then select Invoice. QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to tailor your invoices to suit your company's identity right from scratch. Now comes the fun part, customizing your invoice. You have several options here. You can change the logo to match your branding, adjust the colors to reflect your company's theme, and even select fonts that best represent your professional image. QuickBooks also lets you tailor the header and footer, creating a comprehensive look that is uniquely yours. If your transactions require more detailed information, consider adding custom fields to capture all necessary data. What's great about QuickBooks is that you can preview these changes in real time, allowing you to see how each tweak impacts the overall design instantly. Once you're satisfied with how your customized invoice looks, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your hard work is securely stored. Finally, when you're ready to create a new invoice, you'll simply select your newly customized template from the Design drop-down menu. This is how you ensure consistent branding across all your customer interactions. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily create an invoice that not only looks professional but also reflects who you are as a business. Thank you for watching, and now you're all set to make your invoices work for you.